Gentle, virginal maiden, pure as the driven snow, holding the horn of abundance often represents this earth sign. This native is an enigmatic combination of sensuality and conservatism. She is so elementally earthy in her judgments that she is one of the few female types of the zodiac who can be trusted in every way. The quality people notice first about Virgo is her alertness and unmistakable intelligence. Frequently intellectual, with the gift of language or the powers of a retentive memory that aids her in passing examinations, the Virgo female is something of an academic type. You should watch her manners and language around her. All this can be somewhat intimidating and frightening for an ordinary man. However, her countenance is not lacking in attractive features, and she can be counted among the prettier types of the zodiac. There's a mysterious, quiet, waiting quality in this woman. The passion of her spirit is the most satisfactory substitute for men who prefer the delicacy of understatement and romance. She may be annoyingly meticulous about small things, but she can also be the kindest, most generous, and affectionate creature in the world. She may be pure-minded, but she's undoubtedly not naive and certainly can spot a liar, so don't try it with a Virgo woman. She has no illusions, so don't try to sell her any false ideas. To her, truth is beauty and beauty is truth. She's happiest when she's surrounded by beauty and order, especially when she's allowed to create them. She's not one to stand out in a crowd, but she will be the one to stand back and take all she sees with a clear eye. Sincere and genuine in all she does, this is a woman who is hard to fool. Behind that calm facade is a mind, which moves like clockwork. Her approach to life is direct. Her profile is an unusual mix of emotions and practicality, romance and common sense. She's the one woman in the zodiac who can be practical and romantic at the same time. A woman governed by Virgo is often characterized as timid, evasive, reserved, but this is because of her self-possession. Her sense of passion is controlled by discipline. She cannot easily be won over. For this woman, falling in love can take a longer time. She moves forward, step by step, revealing the layers of her deep sensitivity. She keeps her passions under a tight rein, but underneath emotions are surging. Outwardly she may appear calm, sometimes even remote and unreachable, for the quintessential Virgo has a serene, almost classic repose. Because of this, a man may wonder if she isn't a bit cold. She isn't. She's just very discriminating about whom she will give her heart and body. Once she accepted love as real and ideal, the purity of her concept of relationship reigns supreme over all the pieces of legal paper in the world. The emotional nature of Virgo is controlled but not non-existent. Her enormous capacity for love will pour out from a rich treasury, once her emotions are unlocked. When she falls in love, she shows extreme passion and intensity that only a few other women can. Making her fall in love is an entirely different task. She will demand total perfection from you. She is not a woman you can take for granted. You must strive hard to win her, please her, fulfill her. If you can, you will have a lover who pays you back in lifelong dividends of love, loyalty, and happiness. What attracts Virgo woman most is an intelligent, practical, well-mannered, well-dressed, and reliable man who can make her feel important. Delicacy and grace will win her heart. Caveman tactics will turn her off. An intelligent conversation arouses her interest. She appreciates wit and maturity. She enjoys a man who can act with dignity in public, yet can abandon himself to an earthy lustiness in private, as she does. She is highly ethical and